Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to find user manual for your headphones Nothing Ears. You have to start by open the application. Now click at the settings icon at the right top. Then click on tips and support at the back right here. Now you should choose your headphones. This is Nothing Ears Open right here. So just click on it, and right here you have a product feature, so how to. You can scroll down and read about features, and also you have troubleshooting here, so it should also help you. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.